its life end. Or if an act is broken from the internal forces, its life begins. Anuigu organization jilang rong mo kete bisa te pang da bisa anui pelong gana anuina harcuin samprap bandisa anuigu unity te pang ale karena anuina pelong gana pang pati sana anui saja anuigu unity ga kham mai to dele sibsena I want to encourage to each and every one of you namai kum ba phi ngau do ke anui puina kale asam ga bamsa na du Nagaland ke bamsa na tu, Manipur ke bamsa na tu, anu ke katu hungsi rabले, sebisa kesana dah. As we gather together here with the purpose, with the aims of promoting the artists, anu Zelang Rombago I promoter abza. Yes, let us remember the word of Albert Einstein, the famous scientist of German. What he said? He is the famous scientist. He got a doctorate, seven doctorates. Doctorate, and he got many novels and then Nobel Prize, medals. Famous scientist na panarangze. I have utilized my potentialities only 20%. Out of 100, I have utilized my potentialities only 20%. And when we talk about the general people, out of 100, even 10% also they don't utilize their potentialities. Sale, and we talk unlimited potential. And hey, nadaga pediko day. Sibizigna, let us dream height. Let us dream big. To one day, music and one day in the state level stage and in the national level stage, even international stage kya nui namai artist mana ma nui te rahanga nilai kaisa nui te clay anui don't give up, keep it up nang tu bangsa na nang daga potentialities like Albert Einstein only 10% sang malay ja nui utilize the malay daga. Why should we stop? To discover our potentialities or latent talent in different fields. Particularly today, we are here to promote the artists. Artists, let us give extra time, extra energy. Music is a part of our life. Without music, our life is incomplete, we can say. Hello, without music, our life is miserable, we can say. Hello, music our life is incomplete, totally incomplete, we can say. So I encourage you, each and every one of you, to continue to give your efforts, extra efforts, to discover your talent, latent talent. Hello, hello, za anu hanga mi lei bloga kahre bloga mi suisia bloga hello na mi su tumai ai ko le and ke katu kampo bloga tu when the words fail to talk to our friends, music used to convey, music used to talk to our friends through singing, huh? Even though the words fail to talk to our friends, music can talk to our friends. Zeleng rong matuang hai, kai zeleng rong matuang ini, ani pui pu hai, kai tuang customary tuang lu nayana love song, romantic song vai nayan ini, peri rana na rahang nai lema, khang nai liu macha, celana demang se sului gina tiu bamboi tiu wak, ja, sului gina love song, sino machi wa ha, love song na ke kacung pau jate dulu,